Okay, we will answer this one. Which best describe the point x is 5, y is negative 3. Okay, so first, i-draw muna natin yan. Or i-locate natin yung 5 at saka 3. Or yung x niya 5, y is negative 3. So, yung x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung x. So, sa y is negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, yung location ng x is 5, y is 3 dito. So, ito yung 5 at saka negative 3. So, ngayon, i-check natin itong letter A. Yung statement ng letter A, it is 3 units above the x-axis. So, 3 units above the x-axis, so this is false. Okay? Letter B, it is 3 units below the x-axis. Okay, pwede. Pero, yung 5 units to the left of the y-axis is false. Ganyan. So, letter C, it is 3 units above the x-axis and 5 units to the right of the y-axis. This is also false. So, try natin ang letter D. It is 3 units below the x-axis. 1, 2, 3. Correct. Then 5 units to the right of the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the correct answer is letter D.